Hey guys, it's Roota here. So today I want to talk about how you can actually start your online business from scratch. Now, starting a business requires some sort of skill, like you're good at painting, or you're good at social media marketing, or you're really good at Facebook ads, or you are an amazing designer and you would love to help other businesses in their graphic design, and making their websites and their images pretty, or you are a website developer, or you are a WordPress developer. So for starting an online business, you basically want to start with your skill. Now if you have skill, well, awesome, but if you don't have a skill, then how do you get it? That's the question you should be asking yourself, like, how do I get the skill? Is If I want to be a graphic designer, is there a graphic designer course out there, or is someone teaching graphic designing, or can I learn from someone who's already 5 steps ahead of me to become an amazing graphic designer? Or can I scour a lot of videos, a lot of free blogs, a lot of free courses, and learn how to be an amazing graphic designer? Well, that is possible. Referring to free content and following it might lead to overwhelm, and it might take a lot of time for you to succeed, but it is possible. So if you're like, okay, I don't have skills and I don't have money, well, make use of the free resources that is available on the internet as much as possible. I have a lot of free resources, other marketers have a lot of free resources, go through them, and maybe get your first client by using those free resources, which is what I did. I went through a lot of free resources at the start of my business. I went through every resource I could find on Facebook ads, on lead generation, on sales funnels, and I taught myself a lot of the things because I didn't have a marketing degree, I didn't have a marketing background, and I knew nothing about marketing when I started. But 1 year, it's been 1 year since I've started the business, and I now help other businesses in their sales funnels and Facebook ads effort, and I also teach other people to do that. So 1 year is kind of a short amount of time, but it is possible for you. But let me tell you this, if I was kind of doing this by myself and figuring out, I guess I would have replaced my full-time job's salary in like 3 4 years. I won't have been able to do it just in 3 months of starting business, and I won't have grown my business through this path. I guess my best advice for you when you're starting out is, if someone is doing exactly what you want to do, and if someone is doing exactly doing stuff professionally, and if someone is living exactly the kind of life you want to live, like if they are traveling the world, or if they have more time to spend with their family, or if you want to like go out and hang out, and or if you want to live in Bali while working, well, find out someone who's already doing what you want to do, and who already has a lot of skills, and who also has a lot of results, because results is important. Sometimes there are scammers out there, and people who actually are not truthful or do not have the integrity, so they lie, they don't have results, they scam people. So you do need to be careful on who you're actually hiring to be your mentor, or what kind of courses and coaching you're buying. But it's fairly easy to see if someone is producing a lot of free content, and if someone is, you can actually judge. If someone is out there to really help you, then you can figure it out. And if someone is doing exactly the thing that you want to do, well, go ahead, say, hey dude, I'm loving what you're doing with your business, I'm loving your free content, I loved your paid course, do you think you could help me one on one to achieve this goal of mine? I mean, it's crazy. There are so many people who are better than you, who are 5 steps, 10 steps ahead of you in life. Like, I'm just thinking about joining a mastermind, which is like super expensive for me. Like, it is a huge investment on my part. It is on the high end of 5 figures. It is unlike anything I've ever spent. And it also has a lot of investment in terms of my energy, my time, my commitment. A lot of things are there. But and I'm also thinking, like, should I dive in, should I go ahead and do this? And in all the decisions I have, and if anytime I'm investing in someone, I ask myself this: is this person or is this coaching going to help me reach my goal? So if your goal is to quit your 9 to 5, if your goal is to become an awesome graphic designer, or your goal is to become an amazing WordPress developer, is this person doing exactly what I'm doing, but is like a 10 steps ahead version of me? And is this person going to help me reach my goals? Then even though I cannot make the investment right now financially, even though I cannot afford it right now, what I'll do is, and what I'll let my brain to believe is, that I'll work extra hard, I'll get more clients, I'll sell more of my content, I'll actually get the money somehow, because I want to go and I want to work with this person, and this person will help me reach my goals. So I'm tired of hearing excuses from people like, I don't have money. Well, guess what? A lot of people don't have money. I don't have the money right now to invest in that mastermind, but I really want to go in that, and I really want to invest. And well, because I really want to go inside that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make shit happen. I'm going to make sure I get the money somehow. I'm gonna make it happen. So if you're thinking that, okay, money is a problem for me, well, then figure out how you would actually get the money. Would you get another job? Would you actually borrow it from a family? Would you work harder to actually get that money? Would you maybe take on a second, third job? I know it's difficult, and I know I have no right to say this to you, but the thing is, excuses won't take you anywhere else. So if you're thinking like, hey, I need to make this happen, but and I know this person can make this happen for me by helping me, and he or she genuinely wants to help me, well, money should not be an excuse. Like, figure out a payment plan, figure out how you can actually get that, figure out a plan of the next 60 days on how you'll actually get the money to work with someone who will make your life reach the next level, and who will make your business reach the next level. So I hope, I'm not sure what, I'm not sure if you already know, I am a Facebook ads and sales funnels ninja. I help other businesses get leads and sales online, and I also teach my students how to be amazing at Facebook ads and sales funnels. So if you want to work with me, if you need me to help you get your business to the next level, then refer to the link in the description or at the end of the video, and I would love to talk to you, because being my own boss is the best thing ever, and I would love to help you do.